Hello kids, today we are going to learn how to draw a kite. Let's get started. Follow the instruction kids. Draw with me. First we will draw a diamond. Now I'm going to draw one straight horizontal line and one straight vertical line. Perfect! Our kite is ready. Now I am going to draw our kite's thread. Great! It's coloring times. We have so many colors. Let's color our picture. First we will choose red color. We will do rainbow coloring in our kite. Orange color. Yellow color. Light green color. Sky blue color, pink color, green color, light green color. Now I am going to add some detailings. Great! Our picture is ready. Hope you like the video. Do like, share and subscribe. Bye bye. Thanks for watching.